Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Ubiquiti Bridge is probably one of the most effective solutions for extending your network connectivity across distances. Whether you're looking to connect two buildings, provide internet access to a remote location, or simply eliminate the need for running cables, point-to-point bridges offer a reliable and efficient way to achieve your goals. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Ubiquiti bridges, exploring their features, performance, and how they can transform your network infrastructure. Number 5. Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC Gen 2, NBE 5 AC Gen 2 US. This is the Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC Gen 2. It's a high-performance AirMax AC bridge. The product is designed for easy use and provides a reliable connection. The device is incredibly easy to set up and use. You'll find that it simplifies your networking needs. It's designed to be user-friendly. This product is built to last. It's made with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand various conditions. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Installation is a breeze with this device. The setup process is straightforward, saving you time and effort. You'll be up and running in no time. This product is manufactured in China. It's built to meet high-quality standards. The manufacturing process ensures the product's reliability. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for anyone. Its durable design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly solution, you should consider this. What people say. Super easy to set up, with a nice GUI accessible both via web browser and from an iPad app. Separate management IP address, so the IP address under which you set it up need not be on the same network as the one you are bridging. Passes through VLAN tags. Number 4. Ubiquiti LiteBeam M523D by 2-pack outdoor CPE. Introducing the Ubiquiti LiteBeam M5, a powerful solution for extending your network. This device offers incredible range, allowing you to connect over vast distances. The LiteBeam M5 is designed to be ultra-lightweight, making installation easy. Its compact form factor doesn't compromise on performance, providing a reliable connection. Experience connectivity like never before with the LiteBeam M5. It can reach distances of up to 10 kilometers or more. It is perfect for various outdoor applications. This device utilizes AirMax technology for enhanced performance. It ensures a stable and efficient connection, even in challenging environments. The LiteBeam M5 comes pre-configured, so you can set it up quickly. It includes a pole mounting kit, making the installation process straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This device is ultra-lightweight and comes pre-configured, saving you time and effort. It boasts an incredible range, making it ideal for long-distance connections. If you need a simple, long-range solution, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent well-priced solution that increased the speed of our M2 Loco Ubiquiti connection from around 5 Mbs to 65 Mbs over a line-of-sight 0.2-mile link. Can't beat the effect of a 23 by gain parabolic antenna. Have had excellent results over the years with several different Ubiquiti products. They work. It took some fiddling, but I found the settings needed to blast them straight through some thick trees over about 200 feet. I had to use the 10 MHz band instead of the faster 20 or 40 MHz ones, but this was necessary to cut through the trees. Still, it gets 25 megabits per second download speed on the other end. That's with a speed test on the other end, not what the dishes say. The dishes say the speed is 36 to 51 megabits per second, but I get about half that. I assume it's signal loss. Still, that's enough bandwidth to stream a 4K video. I set this up in conjunction with the cheapest Wi-Fi unit I could find to use in a building about 1,200 feet from the house. I get the same speed in the outbuilding as I do in the house. Everyone can connect to Wi-Fi when visiting. We have very poor cell coverage in this area, so Wi-Fi is a real lifesaver for calls, texts, and internet. Number 3. Ubiquiti Loco M5 Bridge Kit, 2 units. This kit includes 2 Ubiquiti NanoStation Loco M5 units, pre-configured for easy setup. It features a panel antenna and dual polarity performance. This makes it perfect for point-to-multipoint applications. The NanoStation Loco M5 is designed for high-performance CPE devices. Its sleek form factor makes it ideal for various outdoor environments. The design has expanded the global wireless ISP industry. This product uses Ubiquiti's versatile AeroS firmware technology. It enables high-performance, outdoor multi-point networking. The system provides wireless settings, bridge or routing configuration and system management services. The kit utilizes Ubiquiti's AirMax technology, proven in millions of deployments. It exhibits outstanding performance in outdoor environments. The TDMA AirMax protocol enables unprecedented scalability. You can deploy this kit for point-to-point bridging. It also works for wireless connectivity to a video surveillance system. It can also be used as an AirMax CPE. What we like. This product offers high-performance connectivity with a sleek design. Its versatile firmware allows for various networking configurations. If you need a flexible and powerful solution for point-to-point or point-to-multipoint applications, you should consider this. What people say. These work great. I was able to beam internet from my house to another building on my property. There is some configuration to be done. Several YouTube videos to assist. But this has been up and running ever since. I have installed several of these and they work great and are easy to configure. I have just installed 2 in the last week. They provide good coverage for short and long distances, i.e. over a 1/4 mile for the ones that I have used. Number 2. Ubiquiti Loco M2 2-Pack Outdoor PO CPE. Introducing the Ubiquiti Loco M2 2-Pack, designed for extending your network. This powerful CPE offers reliable performance, allowing you to connect over long distances. Utilizing 2.4 GHz AirMax technology, it ensures stable and efficient wireless communication. This device is perfect for outdoor applications, providing robust connectivity. The included PO simplifies installation and power management. It's built to withstand the elements, making it ideal for various outdoor environments. With a range exceeding 5 kilometers, it's perfect for connecting remote locations. It provides a cost-effective solution for extending your network coverage. This is a versatile access point, suitable for various networking needs. It delivers high performance and reliability for your wireless network. What we like. This product is a CPE access point operating at 2.4 GHz. If you are looking for a basic CPE access point, you should consider this. What people say. These worked great to connect a detached garage located about 100 foot from the house to the wireless network. Works perfect between my house and barn, roughly 300 foot and through some brush and few trees. I needed to create a point-to-point Wi-Fi bridge through a forest. After many hours of research, skimming product reviews, asking questions, and asking ChatGPT what it thinks, I landed on the NanoStation Loco M2. The product specs and software configuration seemed to check all my boxes, and the price was really good. Yet I was still skeptical because of a major blocker. I have a fairly thick forest between the source AP unit and the destination station unit. All of this wood and foliage will certainly reduce signal strength. And it did, but not as much as I had expected. When I received the units, I configured the internet source unit in AP mode with AirMax on. I configured the receiver in station mode. Both set in the 20 MHz channel. To my surprise, at a distance of around 500 feet through a thick forest, I was able to achieve nearly 50 megabits per second, which is more than enough for my purposes, remote gate control plus 1 to 2 cameras. Number 1. Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC Gen 2 2-Pack. This device offers incredible speeds, achieving over 450 megabits per second throughput. It's perfect for applications that require a fast and dependable connection, even across distances exceeding 15 kilometers. Inside, it's powered by a robust processor and ample memory. This ensures stable operation and efficient data processing, providing you with consistent and reliable connectivity. The integrated antenna provides a strong and focused signal. This design minimizes interference and maximizes range, leading to superior network performance. It features a dedicated Wi-Fi radio for management. This simplifies device configuration and monitoring through user-friendly software, making installation quick and easy. With adjustable channel sizes, it optimizes bandwidth for various environments. This provides extensive coverage and allows for flexible network configurations to meet your specific needs. What we like. This product offers incredible speed, ensuring a fast and reliable connection. It features a strong signal and easy setup with a dedicated Wi-Fi radio for management. If you need a high-speed, easy-to-manage solution, you should consider this. What people say. The units are simply the best solution to that "how do I get internet to the shop" problem. Setup is simple and you don't need to pay for the pre-configured set. Start to finish took 15 minutes, went through some trees without a hitch in uneven terrain and remains great after a couple of storms and a hot summer. I highly recommend. Has been working without a glitch for 90 days. My installation is in a rural area, unobstructed line of view, beaming about 120 yards. Plenty of website viewing, video streaming, etc. Not exactly plug and play, but pretty close. Took me about 20 minutes to figure out how to set it up in bridge mode without watching a video. Performance is great, no noticeable latency even though there are trees in the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.